Appreciate it, JR. What's good, man? It took me a while to get that one, man. You know it's AI, but like I had to beg her for the right one, man. They don't have no African American anime characters, man. It was like I kept saying, nah, man, I wanna I had to work so hard to get that doggone avatar, but that's what's up. What you got going tonight, man? You finna start trading? Are you watching? And what that nigga Too Real at, man? He been MIA for like, I guess he just giving it a break for a little bit since we had a half day, but that nigga ain't been around. Chilling that shit. I might take a gold trade if they give me my setup at 8. Yep, that's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, I was looking at gold too. Yep. You already know, man. You know my assistant was on it. I had to go and get ChatGPT the little funky 20 for the subscription though. She only gave me one. And I don't know, man. He must be locked in. Yep. More than likely. Shit, this I should have went a little heavy on this NQ short. I started to, but I'm like, nah, man, it's the first day in this account. Let's chill. But yeah, ChatGPT made it or whatever. I should show you the first. Well, let me see if I can show you the first one it made. The first one it made, it was ass, but I was just playing around to see if it'll do it. And when it gave me a little something, I'm like, oh, that ain't bad. And then I started telling it exactly what I wanted. Let me show you the first one. What the first one at? This the first one right here. And it ain't that bad, but I don't know. It's low key straight. I wanted it to be more black, and then I wanted my color scheme to fit my YouTube color scheme. What a rule videos at. Man, I ain't make it yet. I was gonna add it to. It was kind of in the video I had, but I edited a lot of like yap out because it was like if I would have kept all the talking I had in that last video, it would have just been me talking and stuff. And I'm like, man, I'm just gonna keep a little short video because niggas just don't want to hear me yapping a whole bunch. But my rule video is pretty much gonna send, and I hadn't really implemented them yet, so don't hold it against me. But this little feature right here on Topstep X, enabling trail and drawdowns. So like, ideally right now I should go ahead and just put it on now, but I'm really just I'm really just taking a little filler trade. But my drawdown Ideally, if I get up tonight like 500-600, I know I put it in to where I can't break, to where I can't lose, but it'll trail my profit and it'll lock me out at my, you know, no more than $500 off my high water mark or whatever. So like this trade, if I was heavy in it and I was implementing my rules, that's part of it. Nah, you could ask for the thumbnail without the subscription, but you know how like they'll rate your data or usage after a while and tell you they're gonna switch down to like one of them lower tier models. I ain't wanted to do that, so I paid the subscription. Like without the subscription, you good for probably like 1, maybe 2 thumbnails. But you know, like I was like, man, stop down clocking me on the LLM model. So I just went ahead and gave them $20 for the month. And cause I use I use ChatGPT a lot, so I'm like, it ain't like I ain't using them, so I ain't mind giving it to them. It ain't like it's and then Canva, I went ahead and got my Canva subscription, but I might cancel Canva, cause if ChatGPT could just do it with me telling it what to do, then I don't really need Canva. I probably do, man, but I mean, that's right now. I'm still inside my guidelines. I don't plan on trading that much this session. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I do. You right. You know you right, JL. Yeah, but that was a cool video you had too, the pros and the cons. I'm like, man, them show is like the freedom. I just kept saying in my head, give us free. Yeah, I use Canva. Yeah, I tried to use Canva for the thumbnail on that last video, the one we were talking about, and I used it, but it was like it's been a while since I used Canva. It was hard for me to make the changes I wanted to make. And so like with ChatGPT, I think I could give it a image and then just tell it to alter it. Yeah, man, like that just constantly drop. And yeah, I still got my videos in the works. If I finish trading early tonight, I probably, but you know, I also want to get the videos I put out time to marinate too. That's the other side. So it's like in between drops, I think I live stream, but what I don't want to do is just like put out like 3, you know, maybe when I get more subs, but if I just keep dropping and then people don't, you know what I'm saying, I might be taking people away from views on the videos I already put out. So it's like I kind of only want to drop like edited videos probably once every 2, maybe 3 days, and just live stream in between. But then that video I just made, I might try to get a short out of it, like clip a short out and see if cause I only got 1 short on my channel. But yeah, just slowly grow, trying to figure out what direction I want to take. But yeah, I do got that little mini series for like psychology and rule-based trading. I've been thinking about, like, you know, the setup for it. That's something you got to plan out. It ain't like one of these videos we make with price action where you just trading whatever the market give you. When you gotta actually say shit, it matter, you know, the order and all that stuff. You got to get it right. So they coming. But last week gave me content, really. That's the only way that's the only good thing about last week. You know, I had a big account and it made it to where at the very minimum I just make content out of it. That was pretty time consuming and hard though. All that filming I had to do, like that video didn't have 90% of what I filmed. Yeah. Cause you could wing it. Like I could just get up here and yap about stuff, but at the same time, like especially when you start thinking about how you gonna edit it. You know what I'm saying? Like sound effects, you know, pictures and shit. Like I be watching them videos on how to make content, and it's like you really got to plan out a whole storyboard for the video, like what direction you want it to go. So it's like, and when you start talking about psychology, you know me, I could yap. I could yap and yap and yap, but you want to be able. They got like what they call A roll and B roll and C roll when you editing. So like when you talking, how you transition with scenes and still keep the narration going. Getting all that kind of stuff going with a psychology video, I'm gonna have like props. Then I want to get out of the. I've been looking at the analytics on my videos, like videos where I'm talking instead of trading, tend to hold like the viewer length and stuff. But I don't know. I do need to make videos with me talking about psychology and stuff like that to go along with the actual price action. So it's coming, it's in the works. It's all new to me, so it's like it's like building what they say, building a plane in the air. I'm trying to make content for trading and make content period. Like making content is a whole job itself. Like unless you just want to just do it off the wall. Like, Yeah, but I don't know. I think the market's at a spot where, like, if NQ gonna dump, just a good time. I wish I had this live account last night because I had a short from the top from last night. Ain't that last night? No, last night top is up here. I had a short from up here, and I missed that whole dump this morning and funded. So you trading at 8 o'clock. When is 8 o'clock for you? That's like that's about 2 more hours. It got close. It didn't get all the way up to all-time high, did it? It got damn close though. 7 my time, yeah, so about an hour and a half. Yeah, it got pretty damn close. Cause when I look on like the 4 hour, it got like right up there. So like I'm looking for a lower high though. Like from this area right here. If I take off everything, like right here, that's a good spot for a lower high. You know what I'm saying? I think we could, if we break yesterday's high. Oh, that must be on Forex, but on futures it didn't make an all-time high. All-time high still intact from December on futures. Yeah. I mean, if we could whip back up there, like, but when I look at my time frames, like say I just look not even at levels, just time frames, this 4 hour could really sell off. Like everything, like the 3 hour, the 1 hour, the 1 hour still slight way bullish, but the 90 minute, like all this shit could really, like, we could dump from here if we wanted to. So I just put on a small short, like my time frames are getting progressively bearish. Unless we bounce right here, right now. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like this shit bearish. Like we could see a decent size sell off. When I just keep walking down the time frames, that shit bearish. 18-minute bearish. Then we get into your favorite time frames after the 15-minute. The 15-minute bearish. But here go the 9-minute. The 9-minute bearish. Then you go to the 6-minute. The 6-minute kind of bullish. But when you get to like the 3-minute, the 3-minute just had a blue over gray cross. So it's like, ew, this shit could really dump. Now, if the 1 minute want to bounce, like, see, if I had multiple lots on, this would be a good time to like scale out right here. Like I could really close this trade and take my little $70. But I'm gonna see if it bounces a little higher, I might add to it. But don't, you know, I think we could sell off. That's pretty much I'm just seeing if we sell off. So far, so good. I wish I had that position from last night, though. Yeah, I need to look at gold, too, though. What gold doing? Because gold, I kind of want to take longs on, but it don't necessarily have to go up from here. because gold kind of look bearish too. It's starting to look bearish, like where we topped out today. I could see gold selling off and continuing this leg, because gold also broke out of this parabola too. So it's like I'm really just watching gold. If gold could really dump from here on the cool, I don't know. Gold, I might short. I can't short gold. I'm just gonna stay in the NQ short. If gold gonna sell off, it should bring gold down too. Yeah, gold been ranging. Yeah, I can see that too. Maybe it'll range and consolidate and take out highs later. Get under that bed. Yeah, I think I found a new anime to watch too, man. I was looking on Facebook and it was recommended to me. Let me see, what's the name of it? I said I was gonna start it today. It's called The New Gate. Let me see if I could search it. I just seen a screenshot of it. And I'm like, that shit look like it might low-key be pretty tight. I'm about to go to the gym. I'm gonna come back at 8 and send me all the animes you've been watching. I watched that. You liked it? Bet. That's probably what I'm finna start on now though. I will. Yeah, go and get your workout, man. Yeah, but I'm gonna check this out. All right, man. What y'all doing? What's good? What's up? What y'all looking at? Oh, I just got stopped out of the NQ short. I ain't looked at it yet. NQ look like it can pump her.
Yeah, I'm just targeting like 235 real quick.
235. Oh yeah, I see. I don't know, I might short again right here. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe. A little small one, maybe. I think I missed my location though. I was up there on that wick. How y'all do yesterday?
It was good. I got 100.
So what's up?
I never get too many trades. Yeah.
What you was trading, Max?
Shit. The Dundada.
Thank you. Y'all looked at gold.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some gold buys.
Longs. Yeah.
Yeah. I already got one. Just like a quick one, but the range right now is so tight, it's not even worth it. So it just now started kind of opening up more, but yeah, that initial candle, bro, like that initial open,
Yeah.
it's too small for me. So
You gotta get us.
longs. Actually, I think I might get one
I don't know, I might stop right here and come back in London. I don't know.
Yeah, I think London would probably be good. You mean for gold or
Just in general, I'm bearish on NQ. I want to short it right here. I'm gonna take another small short. I feel to give me an entry.
Order filled.
A little tight stop.
Fade me, OG? Fade me.
It's, yeah, you gotta fade somebody. It's always somebody on the other side of your trade. This a tight stop though, and it's really close to your target, 235. Like, really the high of that last green candle, a little bit above it. I don't.
Last green candle?
Yeah, the 1 minute candle we just had. The previous 1 minute, that wick on the 1 minute. I really don't. Maybe like if I was alright. So if I had,
What's the price?
like say 232, just below where you want to get out at actually. So it's like you could.
Really, I mean, that's pretty tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, my TP just so happens to be. Oh wait, hold on. I'm looking at the wrong time. Hold on. Here we go.
Like I really don't want it to go. If it's gonna sell off, I really don't want it to go above, like pretty much right here where it's at now. I really don't have a stop on this stop right now. I'm just watching it, but.
My gold buy didn't get filled. It tapped my entry, but it didn't. It wasn't there enough to fill my entry. It'll probably come back down. Yeah, it is filled.
Like if NQ's gonna sell, it shouldn't. I don't know. I know it's a tight stop, but according to my strategy, this is like the cheapest short. What, NQ is? Yeah, I can make a case for the bull case, but looking at like the mid to high time frames, you know, I think I can make a bear case too. And it's like really, you know, I think JR was telling me earlier tonight on Forex, like on NAS or whatever, NQ made a new all-time high. But on NQ on futures it haven't. And if we gonna stay below the all-time high on futures, like the short should come from really last night, that entry I had last night. But if I had to pick a new spot today, It should be somewhere up in here. We shouldn't.
If it made all-time highs or not, do you think it's gonna eventually do that in futures?
I mean, it can. I'm not saying it can't, but if I'm not really just trading like what I think will happen. I'm just taking a cheap trade, you know, like the cheap trade, like going long here. Where's your stop if you go long? Like if I had to go long right here, yeah, I would have to put a stop down like at really 200.
Because for me, like I can make the case for all-time highs.
Yeah, I can too.
My entry's at 220. You could do stop at 211, and then I mean that's a pretty decent RR.
Right, like I mean, it's not that I don't think we could go to all-time highs. Like I say, it's just my stop would have to be like under the current 4-hour low or something, you know, like. But on a short, I could keep my stop pretty tight, like really, like right here where we are now.
What are you targeting?
If we gonna go down, like I'm not big size, I'm just 5 micros. What's up, Elliot? I'm not I'm just 5 micros, and like if we break the current 4-hour candles low, like that, them little set it, it's really making like a set of equal lows, like around 200. Ain't that yeah, if we break down and get below that, then it's like I could put my stop at break even and let it run, and it can go where it wants.
Yeah, that's my only case for a bigger, and that is those 2 lows down there, but.
So it's like more like I don't know where it's gonna go, but if I wanted a cheap trade where I could keep a tight stop, the short is the case for me. Because if I go long, my that them equal lows would have to be like where I put my stop. Because
I don't know, man.
yeah, me neither. I don't know either.
Yeah, I mean they're both educated guesses. That's the thing about it is you can make the case for both. So like when that's what happens for me, I just sit up.
Yeah, like right now, like looking at NQ, I think I'll set it up.
I just like to buy a little better, just from like a higher time frame perspective. Like I think we're just gonna target that high, even though we're in premium. Like I just seen it happen a lot where it didn't go there.
Right, yeah. Last week when we made that high, when we broke above, because if I remember right, last week I was looking at 2 sets of relatively equal highs on the 4-hour, and I know for sure we broke above 1 set of them. Let me see. Yeah, we had a big move last week on we broke above those, and we broke above those, so we cleared all the liquidity that I was looking to clear, and so now the only liquidity is all-time high. So
Exactly. That is the only liquidity is all-time highs, but
Exactly.
there's liquidity to the downside, but it's like way down there. So I'm just saying in terms of like that least resistance, that's like the highest easier.
Like the fact is like it could have been dumping all day today.
it was a holiday, and we only had a half day, like, and it was a holiday.
But the only little bit it did dump was the first 10 minutes of the day.
Yeah.
So it wasn't even like it built it up to the dump to like a couple hours. Nah, that shit dumped and then it came right back up and recovered. And it was struggling to dump. So that, I don't know, like that shows me it's either gonna be a stronger dump to like it's building
It
it
could
up.
be a stronger dump. It could.
Yeah. Or we're just going to all-time highs.
Yeah, definitely. It's either gonna have a strong dump like tomorrow.
Or a melt up, or a low liquidity melt up. I can see that too.
Yeah, that's the thing. I really can make the case for both. It's just I'm not trying to like. If you're short right now, you're basically going against the trend. So, and there's not for me structurally like it's just not there.
I mean, most of my trades are always usually against the trend, like picking bottoms and picking tops. So it's like it never does look good to most, like, unless you like see what I see. It never does look good to most people when I get into trades. It always be like an hour or two later.
If the reversal is there though, for me, you know, I need like a high.
But you know a reversal. But you know a reversal is a gambling move too.
Yeah, I mean, it depends on the setup. If the setup is like really good.
I'm talking about like that shit been dumping and you trying to catch the reversal. Like, oh shit, it's gonna bounce from here. You know what I mean?
I mean, you can make the same case for a going with the trend. Like, it's like you're taking a gamble that the trend is going to continue.
If you're in premium, yeah. If you're in premium.
I mean, but that's the only way a trend is a trend is if it's in premium, right? Because like else it'd be
no, you can still be as long as the structure's not broken, it could be still bullish. It'll still be a bullish trend, but you're just not at premium. But you can be in discount and there's no reversal. Like it hasn't broken structure or anything. It's just come back down. That's like the best gamble. But your RR is not gonna be that good though. But if you short the top, yeah, you got a tight ass stop. So you're gonna be like, 20 to 1, 30 to 1 type shit.
I mean, the one trend that is good in your favor if you're going to take a short right now is that shit has been following like the trend line. Around what like, I don't know if you have to see my screen.
Yeah, I see it now. Yep.
Every single time it got around that level, which somehow.
That's what I've been looking at it, yeah.
Yeah, that makes me feel like I'm early and we could go up.
What's funny is like where price would come up before it goes back down is like where I'm gonna close out. So at like a 235-ish.
Yeah, my exit might be right here. If we break this current 1 minute high, like I could really put my stop at break even, because on the 5-second chart, this is where it could get bullish. Like if we pop up right here, right now.
So are you bullish or you bearish?
I'm not neither one of them right now. Like I'm bearish, but I'm just scalping really. Like I think this week.
Like a 5 micro lot trade, and I'm like.
5 micros isn't a lot though. Like that's like.
To me it is. I ain't gonna lie. To me it is.
I consider a lot like 15, between 15 and 30. But like for this is just. Especially when my stop is tight, I'm at break even now.
It depends on what session too. Cause Asia, 5 micros in Asia for me is not a lot.
Yeah, Asia it doesn't. Yeah.
New York Open 5.
Yeah, that's a lot. You could get killed.
Especially on NQ, you better know what you're doing because you could literally lose your account in like a second, even if it's 5 micros.
Right.
On some NFT shit, you're done.
Right.
Hell. Even on 2 micros at NFP,
you could kill, to crush your ass out.
I know because I've done it.
I've done it too. I've done it with 3 lots, like blew a whole account on 3 micros, trade in New York. Like really that hour before New York. Like if it's trending like from the hour and 30 minutes before New York Open, and you trade against that trend with like a 3 lot, you could be down 1,000 by the time New York opens. And if New York continues, like 15 minutes into New York, blew your account on like 3 to 4 or 5 micros.
If it continues, man,
yeah.
I'm lucky, man. I haven't had it do that. It usually recovers. So.
Yo, are you getting in buys right now for gold?
Yeah, how you know that?
I got it.
Yeah, man. I might have to switch out though. I might be in the wrong way or another, man. Might be in the wrong way.
Gold selling.
Kinda, yeah. It went up, but it came back. It came all the way back and a little bit lower right now.
Yeah, I wanted the long gold, but it didn't look good to me on the high time frame, so I was like, let me just, and NQ shorts, like I said, they just look cheaper, so it's like if I'm gonna trade something, I'm gonna short NQ. And I got my risk on this account since it's new. It's pretty tight. Like if I lose $250, it'll lock me out. So.
There you go.
And I put the little lock on it to where you can't change the risk settings. So like if I start losing, I'm like, oh, I need a little bit more room. Nah, I'm still locked out. See, like right here, I could take 2 micros off and have 3.
Order filled.
And just keep locking in profit. I'm up 180 so far on the night. Want to stop at break even. If I get stopped out, I'll look for another setup. But if it continues, them 3 micros will do wonders.
What are you in?
NQ short from 228.
What's your stop?
Break even. If it get back up there, then they'll have to show me something to let me know I want to get back in, or it might keep going up.
I think like 5, bro.
Yeah, I can see it. It was just cheap to me. Cause like if it gets above that, like I say, that green 1 minute wick, then it starts looking bullish.
I like to buy better, but I mean, if it started dumping, then I'll just have to change. I'll just have to change it.
Damn, man. I was on the phone. I think I missed my exit. What's good, BSM?
Shit, what's good? Y'all niggas getting all the money out the buckets, man. I'm trying to eat the job.
I'm about to get stopped out, man. That shit was a nice short. I got a phone call, and now that bitch pumping in my face. I hate when I get calls when I'm trading.
Trying to get some money with your dog, man.
What you looking at?
Really NQ, shorts.
Oh. I was just short.
Shorts.
I might try it one more time. It ain't broke. Yeah, it's right at my where I don't want it to go high. Oh, there you go. See, that's what I was saying. I didn't want it to break that wick.
You said what?
I was about to short, but it just broke my little point of invalidation. Man, I could like really pump.
Oh, yeah, I see you got cooked by gold on some of your videos. Bro. You getting cooked.
I did.
Bro, you kept on entering. What the fuck? You just kept on going there long. You had, bro, that shit, you got cooked so bad, OG.
I did, man. I did, man.
That shit was crazy. Your ass, you had like $200 left to pass your shit.
I did, man.
Shit.
Why you gonna make me relive that shit, man? That shit was.
Yo, I had to say something about that. I'm like, damn.
Yeah, man. I got cooked. I got cooked. That was like one of my worst days trade ever to be that close. Like I had spent I don't know if you looked at the live streams before that, but I was like cooking my ass off all night. And I just kept taking breaks, you know what I'm saying? And I was like staying set. I came in, I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna come in. And New York price action, that liquidity, it was nothing like it was during the night. And so, yeah, that shit cooked me, man.
Oh, you can do that? Yeah, that's crazy. I went short. I actually caught part of that short.
That's all I had to do is just flip my bias and go short too. That's it, but I could not.
Stupid bitch. Thank God.
Yeah, this shit bullish, man. I'm gonna be honest, dude.
Thank you.
That hour close was really,
I'm back to break even.
really clear for me.
I ain't gonna lie. I took 5 micros on that.
Good
Man,
job.
You the fundage for the XFA?
Yeah.
Oh, you couldn't?
Nah, I sold today. I ain't gonna lie, I sold.
You sold. It went down today.
No, I mean like I sold like I messed up.
Oh, okay.
How you messed up? What happened?
Because I was literally talking to NG. I was literally just talking, like it was literally like 9:29 and I was talking. And I was looking for a sell or a buy. And then but it hit my level to take a sell. And by the time I'm like literally about to press the button, that shit just dumped. And I honestly could have gone in late, but I was just like, nah, I don't even want to force that.
Yeah, nah, that dump. I caught a part of the bomb after the dump. That shit pushed up right after the dump.
Yup.
At like 10 o'clock. Yup. Caught that shit.
I might try another short here.
It was a nice sell-off. I should be up 400 on the day, just based on that. And I would have caught some of the wrong too. Damn. It just happened so fast, bro. By the time I knew it, the market was closing.
Yeah, right.
That
I
shit
didn't even
was
know the money closed. Like, why the fuck this shit not moving?
Turn the machines back on.
Turn the machines back on.
Right.
Yo, I see
And
that.
where you been at, man? You ain't been around in a minute. What's going on with you?
I said take a break. Had to chill out. I just had real life shit going on.
I feel that.
And plus the chat, like I was listening to my shit in the chat, like in the call. I'm good now.
Yeah.
I just had to hone in on my shit. So both.
That's
both
needed
reasons.
sometimes. I be getting out this shit too sometimes. So I get
Yeah.
so many different opinions. You know?
Yeah. Exactly.
How your account looking though?
I'm up almost like 400. I got a new one, so I just got it not too long ago. What's up?
What's up?
It's cool. You just in the combine or XFA?
I got an XFA and I'm focusing on my live account though. I got a live account. I'm focusing on that.
That's good.
Yeah, but the XFA definitely trying to get a payout. I activated it, but I ain't traded yet.
Order filled.
Oh,
I didn't trade it yet.
who orders those, bro?
I did. I just added to my short.
I have to get out of those buys, player.
Yeah.
I mean, out of those shorts. So, I mean, out of those buys from gold.
Yeah, the gold buys. Yeah, the gold buys are bad.
That shit was. Even though I'm only down $12 on that, but shit, that shit was just not printing. And then it's not even worth it. If I win, I only make $2.
Yeah. Yeah.
$2. What the hell you trading?
Nah, I'm just saying, like, the candle range is just, like, if you look at gold,
It's just not moving.
Yeah.
It's just sideways.
Oh yeah.
yeah, it's like
Gold.
it's just
Gold be feeling half the time. Sure.
Yeah, it's either busting or like it's just sitting.
Yeah. Gold out there.
Ain't lying.
I'm hearing a whole bunch of ordered fills. Niggas going ham.
what the fuck, bro? I'm in another to sell.
I broke.
You gotta-
one of my.
Oh,
I was in 3 micros on gold, so I just averaged. Not averaged. Broke.
You know what got me tight, bro?
you had orders on the screen. If you forgot to hit flatten off.
Yeah, bro, you gotta flatten shit, bro.
Nah, but what got me tight was if I would've, like, it order filled at where my TP would've been.
Oh
The
yeah.
fact that my TP, the fact that I got out and then it hit my TP, like, that gets me tight. Like, yeah, that always happens.
Yeah, but you know you're a scalper now. You need to take your profit when you see it.
Yeah, it depends. Yeah. I'm more like.
So there's nothing wrong with that.
As long as I'm not over leveraged.
Order filled.
That shit bullish.
Bro, yeah, once I get out this gold, I'm just gonna check it. Gold is just nasty right
That shit garbage.
now. Garbage.
You ever seen that one white dude, the action about MGK? I think his name is Millies. He's a rapper. They're like, I think MGK looks like, MGK's garbage.
Yeah, he's probably referencing that Mike Tyson quote. Yeah, I did hear that.
NQ, I might look for a loan. If NQ get above 260, ooh.
So you be changing the bias every second, bro.
No, I don't. That's my problem is that I don't change my bias.
Because you was in the short.
I know it when it got above my invalidation point, it's bullish. Damn, gold look bearish. Gold might be the easier trade. Just short this
Gold
shit.
bearish, bro. It is.
Yeah, it does not want to push at all. Like, it has no pump.
I got out, bro. I just took a little loss.
Yeah, it took a $10 loss.
Oh, I ain't.
Is that gold at all right now?
No.
Oh shit, I got an order on the screen. The same shit almost happened to me. I had an order on the screen too.
Ew.
I feel like I feel like gold.
It would have got me long NQ.
Yeah, gold has been pumping a lot, man. Until that sell off.
It's
Yeah,
about.
it is end of the month. It is end of the month, so.
It's the middle of the month. You make me feel. I had to look at the calendar. I'm like, shit. I hope it ain't.
End of the month.
It's just the 17th.
Middle of the month.
Hold on, I'll be.
Short. I mean, 17 days. There's only 10 days left. 18 to 11 days left. We're at the end.
And we about 10, 11 days into the month, too. Oh, it's only. I got you, because February is a short month. I see what you're saying. It's only 28 days in this month.
No.
I forgot about that, about February.
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm about to turn 24.
Young ass nigga.
I'm on Kobe shit.
Maybe you just getting out your 90s.
On some Pablo Escobar shit. If I don't make 100 grand this year.
Don't kid. You might make 100 grand this year.
Right, why you kidding, nigga? Like,
Nah, you ever heard what he said?
I haven't. Hold on, give me a sec. What's good, Pranny?
You never heard what he said?
Ride them MAs up.
He said, if I don't make, he said, if I don't make,
I don't know, man. I'm not gonna buy it.
I'm gonna shoot myself in the head. That's what he said.
If you don't make how much in 8 years?
that,
100K?
He said, if I don't make $1 million in 3 years, I'm gonna shoot myself in the head. That's why I said I'm kidding. Damn, my boy got a silencer. Like, how are you posting that? Huh?
Maybe you're not in the States.
Huh?
Maybe you're not in the States.
He in Cali.
Oh. You don't want to get caught with a whistle.
He in Cali.
Dude in my chat say that S&P pumping.
I mean, sure, thank you, pumping. You know that shit pumping.
I ain't looked at it, but he's saying that. Yeah, NQ2, you know.
and I think they got an SMT, a bullish SMT on the higher time frame. That's the SMP and Q.
Yeah.
I think on the 1 hour as well.
Yeah, 3 hour bad bullish. Yeah, that shit might pump me. I don't know, I might just take me a break here. I can't long it up here. Even though I see it, I just feel like the move, I don't know, I have to buy it on a pullback, like that pullback where I was shorting at my exit or something would have had to been an inch. I just feel like it'll dump on my face if I long it here. We got a nice little doji at the highs so far. This could be a big ass green candle to the upside on NQ. That shit would be so bullish. The weekly candle could be bullish as fuck this week if it wanted to be. The monthly candle, like NQ might be bullish as fuck.
That's what I'm saying. It's a little weird that it didn't want to go. More than it did.
If we take out all-time highs, I'm not gonna fight it. Where is all-time highs at? Yeah, right there.
Yeah, at that point, you're just looking for continuation. Like, that's
Yeah.
that shit is bullish. Like,
Right now,
it's on picking up.
I'm getting lower high vibes. I just want to see a lower high, but it might not come.
It didn't even make lower low.
What, NQ didn't? It did make a lower low.
Yeah, today at 9:30, but then
Oh, I'm talking about on the high time frame. Yeah, right. I mean, Cause NQ could real life come down to like 21,700 and still be bullish if it wants to be bullish.
Yeah, I'm telling you, if Trump really on some bullshit this week, he could really make this shit go up.
Yeah, I know he can. All he gotta say is I'm done with tariffs. If he say anything like that, then this market gonna just move. Well, that's what it'll take. Like that's what'll get us to all-time highs real quick.
But even with the tariffs, it's just still bullish. So it's like,
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying, like, if he said that, this shit would never look back. He would have one of the most massive market rallies ever. That or this whole Ukraine and Russia thing, they could strike a deal and that'll be bullish.
Yeah, if they strike a deal, that's really gonna pump the market.
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I doubt it. That nigga's less
You making too much bread in a war zone. Like, what's the point of that? This country, that's tough.
They said he bought like mad like waterfront property.
Do you know how much the U.S. has sent Ukraine during this war? Like, we sent them, I think like 50 billion, some shit.
Nah, way more.
It's more than that, bro.
Like way more. Like
That's crazy.
I still want to short this shit. I knew I should have short. I didn't take it.
I got long on
I want to be short. I want to be a baller, shot caller.
That's why I'm not paying to keep my mental capacity
I'm gonna be done by New York. That's something I hate trading. Like New York day session. Nigga miss me with that shit. I like this slow ass price action where you could think, do I want to be long? Do I want to be short? I love that shit. In the daytime, candles just be popping out the screen. Your ass. That was my shit up there.
Get your money and dip.
But if you're wrong, you just...
yo, you using CoinEx, bitch?
Yeah.
You vouch for them?
I mean, I haven't had any problems. I deposited money through Bitcoin, took money out through Bitcoin. I mean, I haven't had no issues. For real.
Yeah, that's only from. I don't know. They take Robin.
Robinhood what?
Like Robinhood Bitcoin.
What you mean? Like take Robinhood like?
Cause I can't use Coinbase or none of that. Yeah.
You could use Cash App.
Yeah, I can't use that neither.
Bro, what you been doing, man? You been from Coinbase, you been from Cash App.
You know this nigga Max from New York. He's a scam.
Bro, you on some cartel shit, man. Bro, you know you did something bad if you been from Cash App.
I'm banned from Cash App with crypto.
Anything else, they don't take Robinhood.
Like in 2017, 2018, I was on BitMEX and FTX and all them leveraged crypto exchanges. What you talking about?
You got to start letting you know, Max. You got to let you know.
That nigga gonna do better on anything.
It wasn't that I was. Oh, that's where I know how it happened to Max when you said that one statement. You know, He was getting cash out, had transactions to places the U.S. didn't like. They started that whole KYC bullshit and things got stupid. Bitcoin is supposed to be anonymous, private, decentralized, and all that, and they just want to guard all their own raps. Dang, what you say, Elliot? You redacting messages and stuff. I missed it.
You said what? What you say, man?
So you gotta use you use Cash App for this shit? Or?
You could use any crypto wallet.
You could go to a crypto ATM if you want.
Yeah, you could use it don't gotta be Cash App. Any crypto wallet. Robinhood has them too.
I bet yeah, I might use Robin.
Do they accept USDC?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I like to transact in. Keep my, because Bitcoin could dump. You got your money in Bitcoin. That shit just.
Yeah, bro.
I like to keep my coin in USDC or Tether.
I converted that shit 500. And then shit to like 379.
Well, I know.
What?
Yeah, and then like if you use them crypto ATMs, the fee on that shit be massive. Like they want 10% off top. Like,
Now, you know what I hate about that shit too, bro? Bro, them shits is only in New York, and if you get them shits in New York, there's a bunch of dumb, dusty hood niggas like trying to see who goes into the ATM and shit. Like damn.
yeah.
Cause that's the easiest come up, bro. Imagine seeing a nigga like that owns $1 million Bitcoin.
Right.
Just be like, yo, bro, I'm gonna rob you right now, bro.
I mean, but if you own $1 million Bitcoin, you won't be using a Bitcoin ATM. You know, them ATMs only be for like transactions less than.
Sure, but I'm just saying, you catch a nigga and be like, yo, bro, send me a whole wallet.
Right.
That shit untraceable, bro.
Yeah, you ain't getting that back.
That shit. I'll be back. I'm gonna take a shower.
I don't know. Yeah, probably them ATM fees be hideous. It's like the fees, and then not only that, but they quote the Bitcoin price higher than what it actually is. So when you transact, you pay more than what Bitcoin is cost. Like they put a 10% markup on the cost of Bitcoin. And then you can't cash out at the ATM. You can only get Bitcoin. It ain't like you could take a Bitcoin wallet to the ATM and get cash out at that same price. So when you use the Bitcoin anywhere, you get the current price, but they charge you a higher price. Yeah. I used to use them back when they first came up. I'm like, man, fuck that. And then even they want a KYC. They want your phone number, all this shit. I'm like, man, I ain't got time for that. I think the one thing that messed up crypto is KYC. For real, for real. I might be done for the night. It looked like this thing just, I don't know. It'll probably be another short, what, probably for London. I could go low here, but I'm getting sleepy. I might take me a nap and come back later. I'm gonna see what it do. I'm gonna see what happens when this purple MA get up to this gold one. If I could take a short. Cause I still wanna short this shit.
How? That's not even the right how. That's crazy. Nah.
What, you Instacart and BSM?
Yeah. Hell yeah. Might as well.
No.
You doing it with your girl?
Yeah.
I be doing that shit, man.
That's for real?
Yeah.
You know, that's the vibe.
It's the vibe, bro. I'm telling you.
The vibe. I'm smoking, you know, I'm high as shit right now, too. Just chilling.
I don't smoke, but
Yeah.
I got you though, man. Trust me, I know.
Order filled.
I took the short up there.
Oh, you just took a short?
Yeah. I'm in at 238 with a 5 left.
What's your target?
Lower. I really don't have a target. I just got to stop. My stop is that wick we made on that 1 minute when, you know, that first one, you know, right there.
Yeah.
I'm probably finna take some off in a minute, try to make a free trade. If we could get a push down, I'll take 2 or 3 off and see if we can hold that high.
Yeah, it could happen.
Yeah.
We did just follow that trend line, so.
Is it at the trend line now?
Yeah, I mean, in a way, yeah.
It probably need to go a little bit higher, you think? Like up to
You do like
45.
I don't say yeah, but I mean, it's never really exact. So. Yeah, 40 something possible. Yeah.
If it wants to dump, it should happen like right here. It shouldn't.
Right. Yeah, that would be right.
And if it break that high, then I don't know. If I go break even on I'm up $93 on the account real fast. If I get back down to 0, I'll probably just wait till later. I'll risk the little profits I made tonight.
Yeah.
Well, G, you're in the combine, right?
Oh, I'm in the XFA.
What?
Hey.
How you get the XFA already?
Look, OG always bounce back. Always bounce back.
You just got that today?
Yeah, I activated it today. Yeah, it's fresh.
Oh, I got you.
That day I had blew up and lost that XFA. I went and I bought a new combine. You didn't watch my video, my last video?
I seen it. I know you made the 1500 like right back.
And then last night, remember when I came in here last night? I told you I made another 1500.
Oh, that was another one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the other 1500, and so that passed the account.
Damn. I thought that was the 1500. So you made another one.
Yeah. told you in the video, I was like, Tuesday I want to be back in the markets, man.
Yeah, let's try to get a payout this time, OG.
I'm trying to
Hard.
be a little bit more conservative with my trades. My chat ready to see a dump too. I don't know. It can still go up. Just keep your stop tight. I'm probably about to just get out of this trade.
If I'm gonna be in buys, it needs to come down more.
Yeah, I would if I wanted to buy, I would at least have to get like 211. Somewhere down there.
That's what you
Oh,
I would do like this kind of the bottom of the range.
oh, so you talking about like 231? Oh, okay, 220. Yeah, that's not bad.
I would probably scale it in a little bit. I like scaling it in. But if it starts selling off and we start closing down under like 210,
Oh, it's gonna be, yeah. If we get below 210, this shit gonna be lovely, man.
yeah, I'm gonna be short.
I'm just gonna put my stop at break even and chill.
I'm kind of pissed off. Not pissed off, but like, what's the word? Gold was just on some bullshit for that first hour, bro. First couple hours. Seems like it's selling off now. And I was gonna.
Yeah, gold dumping. I just can't short gold. I'm so bullish on it on the high time frame. It's so hard to short.
Even if I was shorting it right now, the profit I would be making is not even worth it. So that's why I just said.
Oh no, it's a lot of room to the downside on it though.
Yeah, but I would have to hold that shit. I'm just trying to scalp, so I'm not really.
Right.
I'm not gonna hold it all the way down there. You're right though. I would just take like a lot of scalps.
Like
so.
it could go all the way down to like the 27s and shit, 27,
Oh,
40s,
Oh yeah, not tonight.
and still be bullish. No, I'm saying like if you wanted to be like
No, I'm bullish on gold long term. I'm
not bearish, but if you wanted to like even if you wanted to scalp, you still gotta have like a lot of room to the downside so that you could take multiple trades. So like not saying that you would hold it all the way down there, but like when it got down, if I was short scalping gold and it got down there, I'd no longer be looking for short scalps. That's
yeah,
what I'm saying.
right. Yeah, exactly. I would be waiting for the momentum shift to like kind of go back bullish, but yeah, I would not be trying to short at 227.
Mm-hmm.
Gold's too bullish.
I probably got one
That's
more
exactly
trade.
what I mean of like, that's a perfect example of like, gold would be going down, but it wouldn't break bullish structure if it got to 27. It would
Right.
still be bullish. And it would be a great discount. It wouldn't be a premium.
It'd be an awesome loan to buy. Right. That's
Yeah.
what, yeah.
Yeah, I would definitely want to buy that.
Yeah. I think my best buy on gold, like if we got there, would be like between 28.50 and 27.95. Like in that little general, maybe even as low as 27.70. 28.50 and 27.70. That's like the sweet spot where I want to buy. But up here, like I can't short it, even though it could go lower, because it could also just push up like strong as fuck. But yeah, I'm not gonna short gold, even though I can make a bear case for it. I'm still bullish, even if it go down.
Yep.
In Q, I might have to jump to the long side. Yeah. I might take the long. If we get a pullback on the 1 minute, I might take the long on NQ.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It comes back down.
If I could get 211, This little area we kept bouncing off of, like around 200, between 200 and 211. Ain't that 211? Yeah, 210, 200.
And if we broke 211.50, man, if it stayed down there, like if it wicked it and then came back up, yeah, I'll get buys. But if it closed down there, I'll
Yeah.
sell, bro.
My business address.
You could make it easy.
Yeah. You know, you need a business address to do like the credit. Not a lot, but it's an option.
I think we'll know in about like the next 12 to 15 minutes. And Q will be pumping.
I'll get buys before it even goes down.
I think I'm about to get loan. In like the next 15 minutes, I'm hoping to get an entry.
They use to collect virtual business addresses. Yeah. Yeah, like you can get a virtual business address, but it's not like a physical building, but it's still like a business address.
You took the short, Premi? Good luck, man. I can't short this shit. I loan it from higher, from lower. 288 your target, 2888.
Yeah.
Where's 2888? Oh, you looking for it? Yeah, I can see that. That's a decent trade too. Like that, you might print on it. 288. Them equal lows. It got equal lows right there. That's a good target. I might join you on that, Premier. That's a good ass trade, man. Cause it don't look like I could see that. That's a good trade. Like it's just now starting to break down, and that's a good target. Like even, yeah, 2893, somewhere up in there. I could make a case for that for real. Them equal lows right there. If it break them equal lows, then yeah, we could go all the way down to like 2800. Not maybe today, but like in time between now and Thursday or so, we could be all the way down at 2800. That's a good trade. I have a problem shorting gold, but I see it. Yeah, I would have had to get a short from higher, but that structure, we had that wick high back in February, what is that, February 10th? We made a lower high, we made equal lows, we could take out them equal lows, make a lower low, we could really come down to 2863 and bounce maybe. I can see it. I could dig it. You in a 20 lot, cuz? Micros or minis? You risking it for the biscuit for real. You in minis? So what's up? Yeah, you gonna be rich if that print. So what's up, man? Hell, that'd be the only trade you need this year. 20 fucking minis. From where we are now, it's down there. Well, if we get to 2,800, that'd be 100 times 10 times 20. It's a good little chunk of change. I'm gonna try this NQ short one more time.
Yo, where my mobile?
Yo,
Wow.
what's good?
Good, man. Good, loco. Good, chico. Montana. What y'all in, man?
I'm giving this NQ short one more try. If I lose this trade, I'll probably be through. It's no looking trade, man. It is. I take that back, but I don't have any luck with trading. The only luck I got is bad luck.
What the fuck?
If it wasn't for bad luck, I would have no luck at all. That's what I say. That's in life. I don't have this shit. Like, it's either.
Yo, I look like.
You like what?
Gold bars.
See, we was just talking about short and gold. But yeah. I could dig it.
I would be bearish. It depends on how the hour closes for me. If it closes like with a really big wick, like bullish pin bar of the candle, then yeah, I'll be bullish. But I don't think it will. Might.
I'm only bullish because of how hard that shit came back.
Yeah, it's a good point. Like I said, if it comes, if it, you know, it already came back. If it stays up, then yeah, goodbye. But if it dips back down in the next 20 minutes, I wouldn't do it.
Cause think about it, if it closed with this big ass tail into the new hour,
Right. Yeah, then it would be bullish. But I have to wait though. I wouldn't just get in right now.
shoot first, loco.
Oh. Oh.
Somebody in it.
Mac's about to be eating. I mean, it looked pretty good on the 15-minute, man. I can't even lie. It does.
I see it. That rejection he bought right there. He got in. That's what's up.
The 15-minute looking good, bro. Can't lie.
Yeah, I mean, I just all I want is 1 hour to close with a big ass tab, and then for the new hour.
To open and continue.
Yeah, that's what I want. I'm gonna risk 250 on this.
That's what's up.
I'm gonna risk the low because it's worth it
Yeah, it's worth it.
if you get it right. Yeah. Like,
Yeah, the only thing is it's Asia, so you just don't know if it'll give you the volume necessary to do it, to go up there, but it could. I've seen gold do it before. Like if it was NQ, I wouldn't do it.
Yeah.
That aggressive, but gold, I could do it. The trade's good either way. I mean, you should make money on that trade no matter what. Really.
Yeah, if you get, usually, it didn't happen to me Friday, but if you buy gold and you get it wrong, it'll forgive you and give you time to get out in profit, close to profit, break even. Actually, it did give me plenty times that night to that day. I just didn't take the break evens or the slight profits, and then it never came back. But I remember being break even a few nights. I mean, a few times that night.
This shit could really be the low.
Yeah.
I don't know, loco.
I don't know, man.
I'll be right with you.
Is our close good? Then yeah, could be.
I'd be right with you if it was at like 2,800, some shit. I'd be long as fuck too. Oh fuck, NQ pumping again. Like I didn't know that though.
Let's see where's the support zones on gold.
I love gold. Come on, give me a dump down to 211 NQ. A slight push, that's all I'm looking for. Little dumpy dump.
You want anything with NG?
I already had an NQ buy play out, so I'm just waiting to get it. Yeah, waiting for it to come back down to get it so I can get in buys again. That's it. I like the gold sells before it sold off, but gold was playing too much, so I just didn't take it. But now, man, see, gold did exactly the thing I was afraid it was gonna do before the hourly close. Yeah, it came back down. Yeah, that's not good, bro. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, if you get that long on gold wrong, you just gotta accept it. Don't
Yeah.
fight it.
That's why I was waiting to see the hourly close first. Because if it had closed with that, like a nice, hammer candle, then yeah, I might have even went long on it. But right now, I can't. OG, you know, like the gold values, like right off the top of your head. Like if I ask, like, what's 20 ticks on gold? Like, what's
That's
that one?
$200 if you're on a mini. If
What's
it's-
like, so one micro is what, 20? So it's just even like that?
No, one micro is 10 minis, 20 ticks. So, and it's $10 a tick. So 20 ticks on minis is $200, and
No, I'm
it's
saying on a micro,
oh, that's $20.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's just straight across like that. So it's like 20 ticks, $20. Yeah, that's good.
Is that right? Yeah, it's $1 a tick.
Yeah, if it's that easy, short the shit. I just wanted to make sure like my scalp would even be working.
I just trade minis on gold though. I like that $10 a tick, but my account, I'm not trying, because I would only have like one trade if I did it now. One trade, 20 ticks would kill me. It'd have me done for the night if I had it wrong by 20 ticks.
Right. I like gold minis in the afternoon after New York. Like, it's still New York, but it's like
After lunch, yeah.
I like minis on gold. Then.
Yeah, I go like central, around 10:30 central. That's when gold slows down, and like if you're gonna trade it, that's the best time.
I was about to say like you talking about in the morning, right?
Yeah, 10:30 in the morning.
Yeah, cause like that's the thing. The New York it'll move more than Asia a lot, but it's slow.
Right.
So you can use a mini, you know. I like that. Like it'll still give you like a better ATR. Like the candles are bigger usually, but it's slow. You don't usually move too fast. Like not, I'm saying like compared to NQ, you know?
Right.
NQ, man, you blink and then that shit is gone. Like literally this morning, Max. This dude blinked and he missed his cell signal. He ain't even blink, bro.
I was like, bro.
He went to click the button and it just already moved. I was there real time, man.
Should have had a limit though.
Yeah.
That's how much.
Well, that's what I was gonna say. Like with the breakout, you might as well just use the stop order, bro, because then you don't have to miss it. Bro, how you down?
Who?
Max.
Order filled.
How am I down?
I mean, I know how, but like, I thought you would have. Well, I guess, yeah, you're gonna let it take out the low if you're wrong. I like that. Like OG said, like it can be forgiving, you know. It could happen.
You just got so much room up here. Like, and if it's gonna go, bro, it's gonna go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm not trying to play around with gold too much, man. It's just expensive, so like.
Did you try to trade in silver?
Silver is insane. I love silver though.
It's really expensive.
It's 25 a tick, but man, if you get it right, you good.
Like, I wanna, like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna start back testing, like, the breakout.
It's good, warehouse.
I wanna see what hours that shit is mostly breaking out of.
What's good, warehouse? How you doing tonight?
Yeah, I'm not trading shit. NQ, man, is just like the perfect thing for me. The way it's so smooth, like with the ticks, like every tick is like so smooth. You still like the buy on it? I don't want to get in a gold sell after this hour if it's still.
You talking to me?
No, I was talking to Max.
I mean, I'm not like big on it right now. Like at this point, I'm literally just risking the ball. Just sitting in that risk. But for me to stay in the buy, we do want to see. I do want to see it push with some bullish momentum through. Do you see this 15-minute candle right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, through this 15-minute candle, I want to see it push pretty strong up from that.
We need to get going.
And then, so that would be the first step. And then the second step is where my entry is at. That's where it has to fully break out of. If it can manage to break out of where my entry is at, like I could target so much structure. I could target this.
It needs to get up like now.
Yeah, it does.
Order filled.
But at this point, like if you're asking me like how I feel about it, I'm honestly just I don't feel too hot on it. I'm just risking this low. And the reason why I'm risking it though is because if you look at the structure, it's like it dumped, it made a lower high, and then it didn't make a lower low. So it kind of respected this shit. So like if it does dump any more lower than this, then this shit like ultra bearish, my brother.
Yeah.
Though it breaks it, then I don't know, I still like bars for now. I don't know, my thesis is just before it hits my stop, let me hit like 200. I don't know. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I'm not super.
I'll just chill. I just won't trade it because I can see it either way. I can see it either way right now. Is the high time frame bearish? Yeah. I should say intermediate time frame, but yeah. But it might. I don't know. Come up right here. It would have to. It needs to come up like in the next 5 minutes. It really does.
Yeah, I agree.
Like strong.
Like opening this new hour has to come up pretty strong. Yeah. And I mean, like,
Once it gets up to that last high, that lower high I made, I guess it should be higher. Once it gets up past that high I made at 42, 842, it should be higher.
842 was 842.
The time. Your time. That high.
Oh yeah, that's my entry.
Yeah, if it gets back up past that, like pretty soon, then I wouldn't worry about it.
And especially like, I need this shit to close. Like, would you say this is like bullish closing? Or it has to close like higher?
That ain't bullish. I wouldn't call it bullish. The wick. The wick. There's not an exact rule for it, but I would say like for me, if the candle body is bigger than the bottom wick, then nah, it's bearish. Even if it's like the same size. And then the biggest thing for me is that that candle overtook like the last, you know, what is that, like 10 candles? Or not, 8 candles? So that's a lot.
This today. But it's from the beginning. Just play from the beginning. What's that cue doing?
Shit, pumping up slowly.
Still going up, yeah. I think we're gonna get a pullback in the next hour or so.
I thought so too when I tried to trade for it, but it never came. So I gave up on it.
I don't think we're gonna go to 211. But I think we're gonna come back down once the new hour opens. Maybe not. That's just what I want.
Alright. I'm finna put my last gold trade on. My last trade on gold. I might end up done for the day. Cause I can't change my risk settings. I'm glad I did that though. Cause like, I took those losses. If I lose 250 today, I'm just done.
That's good though.
I know. They put a little stop clock on it. It's like I can't
Yeah, that's
change
new,
it.
right? That's
Yeah.
a new feature.
Yeah.
That shit's hard, man.
I
Because
can't.
you know that's useful for most people.
For me, it's useful for me. Like I cannot, once I put it in effect, I cannot add more risk for the day than 250. Like once I go past 250, I'm locked out for 20 hours. Like right now, if I lost another $200, I can't trade no more until tomorrow. So it's like it's comforting.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, there we go. It just started.
Started what?
The new hour.
I'm down $50 right now. Warehouse. I was up like right at 200 earlier tonight. I took some NQ shorts and got paper cut. Now I'm down 50 on the night. And so now I'm finna try to get a gold play. And if it don't work out, I'll probably be down for the rest of the day. Well, it ain't no problem. Unless I just, like, I could switch to micros and get some more shots at it, but gold does look like it's at a spot to where it's gonna make a decision either up or down for the night, so I'm gonna watch it. You talking about New York? Wait for New York session? I don't like New York session. It's too. I like the overnight. Usually I'm done by the time New York starts. Whether it's good or bad, I'm done before New York's session. If I trade New York, it'll be like after lunch. But that first hour and a half hour, it gotta be like a trend day or something. I'm not gonna touch that shit. No, I'm okay being done after this trade. I'm not gonna rush it though. Even if it's my last trade, like I just want to see gold. If gold comes up to like 911, 2911, I might take the short. If gold breaks above 911, I might consider it a long. If it breaks this low it just made, I might just stop trading because I missed my short.
Nah, my girl got WWE on. So. gonna watch TV for a little bit. I can't watch this shit. This shit's so slow. I'm gonna keep the trade on.
That's what's up, man.
Let me know what y'all want.
I just got in the cell on gold, so yeah.
Pussy ass.
Nah, man. Shit tough, bro. I'm fading max, man. That's
We both about to be fading max if it pump up some.
yeah,
Or I could
get
get
it.
it.
I'm gonna add to it if it come up to 911 like you were saying, OG. Really like 910 something.
Yeah. 911 is where I gotta enter. If I short it now and it went up there, I'd get stopped out for the night. I can't even fit.
Not even like a micro?
If I switch to micros, I could fit it, but I don't like trading micro gold. I just like I'm just gonna look for a scalp though, since I'm in the red on this account. Like I probably won't even take it to like a significant take profit. If I make $100, $120, $150, I'll probably exit. So like if I get 15 ticks, I'll go 1-to-1 on it. That's pretty much what I'm saying. It's either my last trade or I make $150 to $200 and I live the trade.
Honestly, if it break over that shit.
Yeah, if it get above 211, I agree.
I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna watch this shit, dude. Cause bro, I just can't watch the trading.
Yeah. I'll get off for the night because I'm about to get dinner. So
All right,
see
man.
y'all in the morning if you're here.
I'll catch y'all later.
All right.
All right.
Order filled. Order filled.